Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Wednesday, July the 14th, two great press releases for you. Let's get straight to them. First, out of the resource space, Orvana Mineals trades on the big board TSX out of the stock symbol ORV. Great news. I love this press release. They announced that their 43101 technical report has been completed. This is for their El Val Buenas Carles project in northern Spain, and it includes reserve and cash flow numbers. Here are the highlights. I'm going to refer to this property as the EVBC for obvious reasons. Highlights: 7-year mine production scheduled with annualized production over 100,000 ounces of gold and 3,900 tons of copper. What does this mean? Base case pre-tax cash flow analysis using Orvana's long-term metal price. I'll get to that in a second. Results in internal rate of return of 48%, and a net present value discount of 5% of $91 million. However, using the date of the technical report, April 30, 2010, using those metal price and exchange rate, the internal rate of return jumps to 158%. It triples, and net present value at 5% again moves up to $363 million, even more than a triple. Looks like 3.5 times using Orvana's conservative numbers. I like that. As a result of this technical report, it's prompted Orvana to initiate a 20,000 meter drilling program. Great press releases. 43101. You got cash flow, you got reserves. Love this kind of news. A little bit about the company. They say that they're a gold producer with a strong balance sheet and transforming into a multi-mine gold and copper producer. Right now they own and operate the Don Mario mine in Bolivia, whose mine life is planned to be extended another 9 years. That's good news out of the company. And they're also developing two other promising assets. This first one here, the EVBC, which is heard about, and the Copperwood Copper Project in Michigan. So great news out of the company. Closed yesterday at $1.23. 52-week high at $1.42, 52-week low 67 cents. So towards the upper end of the 52-week trading range, but definitely trading in a tight range. I'm going to go take a close look at this company. Great news out of them. Next up, out of China, we got China Housing and Land Development, OTC company, trading on the stock symbol CHLN. They put out their preliminary contract sales results for the second quarter into June 30th. And like I've always said, when you see a company putting out preliminary quarter numbers, it means they're excited about the numbers. They want to get them out to the market faster, but always wait for the 10Q that's going to be filed later on. But here are some of the preliminary numbers. Contract sales totaled $39.4 million. That's a 93% increase over the same quarter last year. The company is saying it's a 14% decrease sequentially over the first quarter 2010, but I'm always more interested in the comparables over the last year. 93% increase, like that number. Also, their average residential selling price per square meter in the second quarter was up 23% year over year, and actually up 7% sequentially, so that's a good number there. The company says they're a developer of residential and commercial properties in northwest China. Closed yesterday at $2.20. Now, a little bit of concern here. Their 52-week low, $1.82. Their 52-week high, $6.59. So they're trading significantly off their 52-week low. Off their 52-week high. Go take a look and find out what that might be all about. Make sure there are no negative events. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Two great press releases for you. If you look for more great small cap news information, get stuff to the front page of agoracom.com or the front page of China Securities when you talk about ChinaSecurities.com when you talk about these Chinese companies. Watch the video, same format on both websites. Watch a daily video or watch their syndication partners at iTunes, YouTube, Google Video, whatever's convenient for you. Look at the best press releases over the last couple of days. We separate that by industry. And finally, get yourself in the directories where we've got hundreds of great companies combined, where you can filter that list by industry and or exchange, so you can whittle it down to the list that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.